Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the ID selectors and the link styles. So there's a problem with the class selectors. You can put anywhere, like in the same here you can put like class and then put secondary, and you can see that it is changed to 2. So how we gonna how we gonna solve that issue? Is there any way we can do that? So for that we have the ID selector. So there is a global attribute called ID, and you can type right, and you can like ID like special. Yeah, you can type special, and then you in here you can declare it by the classes are declared by dot, but the IDs are declared by the has, or hashtag. You can say anything on. So special, and the moment we type it and inside it we can use it any way you want. Like I'm gonna use something like um, mm, background to um, the bleach. So here you can see it's changed. So and yeah, this would be only one ID per page. So this is the way it works. Pretty simple, right? And the other thing is, which I talking about, is the link styles. So there are 4 types of link styles. In A, we can specify first is the link, because it's a link when it's related. The second one is the visited link. So visited, if that link is visited, for that. And oh yeah, visited. And the last one is hover. No, it's the third one, sorry, hover. When you hover over there, it will change. So this is the way it's worked. And the last one is the active. Is that active? Is that a link we are living in? So this is all about that. So for to specify, I will make a good example to you. I will remove here. I will remove most of them, like these things. Yeah, I will take these things but out, but not this, and I will make a navigator with this. So for that to happen, what we need to do is, first I'm gonna do create the UL, which is stand for unordered list. You already know if you know HTML, and why you here if you don't know HTML. Okay, so none. After you type none, just change the line and margin and change into 0, and then padding. Everything means something, okay? If you don't understand, I'm explaining, but if you don't understand, head over to W3C school. They have a good job of explaining these things, like CSS tutorials, and here they have a full documentation of every single thing. And you can see that whenever I type something like after that I would like with you can see there are lots and lot of properties. If you have any understanding problem with that, just go there and you can find out the properties, and the way you can, and also you can use it here to see this. Like I'm using here, it's 200, like that. That would be epic. You can, I learned by them myself by doing that. And after that, what I'm gonna do is background color, and what I'm gonna pass the has. Yeah, I'm teaching you a new technique, F1, 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 not D1, F1. So these are color coded. If you want to learn about color coding, you can go there. WC3, they have a full another tutorial on the color coding tutorials, HTML colors like that. And after that, what I'm gonna do is go to the li, and beside that I will pass a, because our hyperlinks are there too. And now display, we're gonna display block. What block? These means blocks, and then I will color code with 0, 3 zeros, pitch black, those allies, and then padding, it would be a 8 pixels and 16 pixels. The way it works is left, right, and this is the way it works. So it is length and this is the breadth, so 1 and 16 pixels. So when we done with that, we can use text declaration in the second one and type none, and we done with that. Now you want, when you hover over it, you can, if you want to do that, I already teach you the a.hover. So for that, we will type li and a and type hover, and we click it, hover, and inside that we will put background color, to be something like it will change into glaze, so 555. And after that, what I'm gonna do is another something like color, it would be white. And then when we're done with that, this thing happens like crazy, right? This is the way it's work, like, and now you can click, go back, and that's up to you, but you can understand, right, that this is the way it works. And that's it. This is all about it. And after that, see you guys in the next episode.